In this video we are camping again at Awning Coast. It looks lovely here, lovely day, but that way not so much. So the best thing to do when there's bad weather imminent is to put an awning up for the first time. So I'm trying to do that. Diego's just watching with mild bafflement. So our first stage is to hook these poles into the frame. There are holes, but what's making this not fun is that someone has gaffer taped all the poles on Bob the Camper. Oh yeah, we've got instructions, Miss. I've not printed instructions.
I mean, this is just
I'm not looking at them, but we have them.
Because this is setting up Bob in his entirety.
Yep.
One page. And then this,
60-second direction.
all of this is the awning.
Yeah, the awning is not a 60-second direction.
Quick question.
What?
Would it be an idea to not back about?
Yeah, that's looking like a tornado. Marvellous. We should crack on. That's terrifying.
Slightly dramatic.
Oh.
That looks kind of too long.
Recording.
Okay. Damn it, it looks too long.
That looks almost more like it clips on. Oh, maybe it does. Well, it's starting to rain. Perfect. And we're just trying to work out what's going on.
This is why I told you the instructions might work.
Yeah, but the instructions don't actually tell you anything useful because they're hopeless.
Okay.
But
It's now a bad time to say I didn't bring a coat.
yep,
Cool.
went camping in Wales without a coat.
I've got a coat. Mine's in my car.
I think we're going to have to postpone while it starts raining because I'm not getting the canvas out while it's starting to rain. That'll just become a nightmare.
Recording will stop in 3, 2, 1.
So the rain has stopped,
Hold on.
and awning building has resumed. Now these are kindly and affectionately known as divorce in a bag. So this is probably why Mr. HubNut and I am not doing this together.
We've got to make sure we don't prevent anything joining up later on.
Yeah, so like, do it like
Definitely should have to use this much gaffer tape.
I think it's been worn down.
That sounded like a pop out.
No, it was this. It just ran out of.
There you go. Stop. Idiot dog.
Jago! Stop! Stop! Stop!
That's definitely a bit more old than it was before.
See?
So what's the next step?
We've got to reassemble the frame that fell down over here.
Okay.
Staying kicked down, trying to fix that pole.
So yeah, the situation we find ourselves in
Mm-hmm.
is that...
Oh, excuse me. Probably.
I'll put the microphone on.
Yeah. So the situation we find ourselves in is...
one of the ends of one of the poles pulled out, so that
like
wasn't
it's
entirely
a
helpful.
peg on the end of it,
Yeah.
isn't it?
And it should be glued in, I think, but we've gaffer taped it.
I mean, it's sort of like,
Gaffer tape cures all.
with the fact that it's all coming out, it sort of shows how much love that this has had for.
Yeah. Right, I've got to try and get the... Oh no!
Same one again!
Pulled the hook out again. Okay, that's going to be a bit of a...
We're going to have to gaffer tape that one out.
We can't gaffer tape it.
I beg to differ.
Well, I don't, because I did gaffer tape it.
Lingo already.
Yeah. I don't know what we're going to do with this.
Maybe cable tie.
It's very difficult to gaffer tape a hook.
I mean, if I spend almost all of my life around you guys, I've probably got to know.
So yeah, this is the problem. That hook has just pulled out at the end of this pole.
Do we have our glue gun?
Nah. I don't know what we're going to do about that.
Gorilla glue.
And then I'm going to do the bacon.
Have one.
Well, it's very interesting, folks. We're kind of getting there. It's only taken about 600 million hours so far.
And 3 people. I thought somebody said this is supposed to be 2 people. This is definitely 3 people.
Yeah, that doesn't line up. That's like we've skipped teeth or something. I don't know what
No, there's something going on. I don't think the poles need to be readjusted on this side because you're limp on this side and you're taut on the other.
Yeah. I'm not too stressed
Okay.
about that, but the zip endings are different.
This one's got some like thread stuck on the end bit that's meant to go inside the zip. That's what's messing it up.
Okay. Yeah, so it zips all the way across.
It got mould.
No, that's
that's-
not mould. That's just where it got wet on the floor.
Oh, okay.
See also Diego's paw prints.
Because he had decided, oh, it might be an idea to
Gone
climb on there.
very well. But this is nice because this is an early awning because it's got the old Conway symbol on it. So this might be a 91. So that's exciting.
So we've just got an elderly caravan.
Yes, well Bob's bottom half is 1990.
I'm going to need help with this one.
Okay,
This needs more hands.
okay. Do you want my hands or yours?
Yes.
Okay, Leo. Yeah. Can you see the hands as well?
Yeah, I can see him. He's right there. There, focus on him.
Okay, where do you want me?
I don't know. but I
dinosaur.
think hold it like that while the other person's trying
That's
to
my
like that.
dinosaur. Devin's jealous of it.
I think you're gonna have to go to the top.
I have no idea how to turn my camera around, but while they're doing that, I'll tell you what we did. So I bought my projector, and we watched films on my projector, and had projected it on to one of the pods, and we all sat there. We were going to have another movie night and bring popcorn, but we didn't have any popcorn, and there's still no popcorn because the shops don't have popcorn, which makes me sad. I'm trying to keep them entertained by telling them what we've done.
Okay.
I've told them that we watched thing on projector. Diego's inside because otherwise he'll run away. Oh look, they've got it
Now this is
doing.
more difficult 'cause we haven't got the string on it.
So that's over there. They've managed to get it there.
Yes, I've got a bit of ribbon. Would that do the job?
Yeah, I think so.
Squelch, squelch, squelch.
Yeah, I'm trying not to squelch. I've picked it slightly moist.
It's okay because hopefully there's other parts to this. So
What
there's.
is this?
Well, if we got the ribbon, you can tie it on there permanently, can't you?
He stole a sausage. He's been shunned.
You stole the sausage. I didn't realise. I forgot.
Yeah, that's
It
too
was my
boxy.
fault. Because I didn't think till afterwards.
Hi Diego. Hey, yeah, Papa. You can come out in a minute because
Yeah, we just get this up. And
we'll
then
get
we
this
come
up
out
and then
with
you can
one,
have
alright?
free reign in an extra area.
Can. Bonus. Oh, we get hair. Oh, Diego.
Oh. He's gonna jump out.
You're not going to jump out, are you?
He's an idiot, Mum.
You're
He'll
not gonna
jump.
do that, are you?
He's got about 2 brain cells.
On a good day.
Anger is happening.
How long is this video clip going to be?
I don't know. This is only 5 minutes and 51 seconds long.
Oh, you might want to pause, you know.
No. I want to get this raw detail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh. Do you need the
I
steps?
will need the step. The muddy death steps of destruction.
Muddy steps of dirt.
The boy's gone to hang out with friends. So he'll be coming back to seeing our masterpiece.
Yeah, after telling us how wrong we were doing it.
Yeah, exactly.
We might do a live and we'll later.
Yeah. I mean, they won't know that because this probably will be posted after the live. Exactly.
Like, when's the Bob live? Oh, you missed it, guys.
It was just happening.
Oh, come on.
Come on, you're so close.
The light is disappearing.
The irony is that you need the second pair of hands, and my hands definitely can't reach.
What if you film and I'll give Ian a hand? Because you know, people below the age of 5 foot might find great difficulty. Below the height of 5 foot, not the age.
Tension on it. Wait, let's try and knock this one back.
Yeah, if we just move that up, like blah 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 blah. You know? Okay, Mum, you can take the phone.
Blim, 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 you know.
Careful, this is the camera.
So very technical.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a bit too taut.
here's a gnome.
I think everybody's seen all our beautiful Bob paraphernalia. Yes.
I showed them the dinosaur.
Yes. I think on our last live somebody actually paid for wine for me, so yeah, I know.
So they're enablers.
I like them.
Well, it's been chaotic as all the best awnings are, but we do seem to have something that actually looks a bit like an awning. We'll say the colour match, not quite there between Bob and this other one, and I suspect this is much older than Bob's top. So the zipping was a little mixed in its success.
We think this is probably 91, and Bob's on the top half is 2001 to 2004.
Yeah, but look, we've even got the front door, but it is turning a bit boggy in here. It's gone a bit Glastonbury inside.
But we may have some flooring, so we're going to put that down.
There's also this factor.
Where is our flooring?
What's that big plastic green sheet in there?
I think that's just a skirt, because we've now got a skirt that attaches to the side of Bob.
I'm going to use that as the flooring.
No, I think we're going to use that as a skirt.
I think we should use it as a floor.
Skirt.
2 against 1. It's a floor. I don't think it's a skirt.
It's a skirt. Look at it, it's got poppers. Why has Bob got poppers on the side? It's to attach the skirt.
Let's just show the old elastic.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely ruined. It's just degraded.
Revolted.
Rubber turning back into its component form. Yeah, that attaches on the side of Bob. That's what these...
Skirt. Oh my god, we've got a skirt.
Yeah. I know you've always wanted a skirt.
I have. But why have I only got
Is-
one skirt?
Because it goes here.
Oh yes. I thought we were talking a pod skirt.
No. Well into this she is. She's got this sussed.
That definitely doesn't colour match.
No.
No, that's because this has been sun killed.
So that's a slightly newer Conway logo there, isn't it? With a freedom for life.
This is the new one.
Yeah.
This is the old one.
And the old one's repeated here. So this awning is as old as Bob's bottom. But this means that we can still get the milk and everything out the cool box, even when it's raining.
Yeah, but there's also the fact that we've added too much tension on this one. So when I put this down, it just comes right back up.
And then the awning attacks you. Funny. But that's because things don't align entirely, because the canvas of Bob is a different age to the awning and the base.
I am loving this excuses. This is just brilliant.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I've got blood on my butt.
No, let's not rely on the boy. Let's go into town and go get the bits.
Okay. I feel much
Okay,
better about
we're
it.
gonna
You've
do
covered up the
the
solar things again.
We're doing the front first. Yeah, the
So
solar things now need to
what
go
should
on the
this
outside.
hook to? Is there something up there for it to hook to? It won't come that far, will it? No. Well, it's better than nothing.
Yeah, and then maybe we peg it.
Oh, you can peg that to the skirt. Oh my gosh, this is like next level stuff. Of course, I'm really, really looking forward to taking this down in the rain. There we go. We got the front on. Bob is somewhat increased in size. It means we could have a hublet sleeping out here if we had a proper ground sheet in it. But mostly we just got a bit more storage space so we can take stuff out of Bob and store it outside. Yeah, it'd be lovely if you were staying for a week, but we're only here very briefly. Never mind, it's all an experience. So there you go, that was the awning of Bob. Was it all worth it? What do you reckon, Bella? Speaking of which, Bella t-shirts, black or green, and even hoodies available at the HubNut store. Marvellous.
This is Inception. They're filming. Not entirely sure what's going on.
really hard.